In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Pinterest and update your profile with ease. Whether you're a seasoned Pinterest user or just getting started, this comprehensive guide will help you understand the steps involved in managing your profile effectively. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open Pinterest using your preferred web browser. Simply type in the website address and you're on your way to accessing a world filled with inspiration and creativity. Once you've landed on the home page, take a moment to absorb the rich content that's waiting for you. It's like a library of ideas, waiting for you to explore and make your own. Next, let's head over to your personal space on Pinterest. In the top corner of your screen, you'll see an option to go to your profile. Clicking View Profile takes you to a space that is uniquely yours, filled with all the boards and pins you've saved along the way. This is not just a collection of images, it's a reflection of your interests and aspirations, a visual diary, if you will. Once you're here, the next step is to optimize this space to reflect who you are today. Now look for the Edit Profile button. Clicking on it opens up a world of possibilities for you to tailor your Pinterest experience. Through these settings, you can update your profile picture, change your display name, and even modify your bio to better represent your personal or brand identity. It's important to keep this updated. It's your introduction to the Pinterest community and can help fellow pinners understand your interests at a glance. Additionally, while you're in edit mode, consider reviewing your privacy settings. Pinterest gives you the flexibility to make your boards public or keep them private, aligning with your comfort level regarding visibility. This can be particularly useful if you're planning a surprise event or working on a project that you're not quite ready to share with the world. After making your desired changes, don't forget to save them. This ensures that all your updates are retained and your profile remains current with whatever new ideas or themes you're showcasing. The Saved section is where you can manage your favorites, revisiting the pins that inspire you the most, and ensuring they're organized in a way that makes sense for you. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to navigate Pinterest, accessed your profile, and explored how to keep it updated and reflective of your personal journey. Remember, Pinterest is more than just a platform. It's a creative community where your profile serves as your artistic canvas, showcasing your passions and ideas to the world. So go ahead, explore, create, and share. Enjoy making your Pinterest experience uniquely yours.